Hello YouTube, this is tutorial 18 of our modding tutorial series. I'm just gonna jump right back in where we were, and so we can get this class done and get the next class done. So then, because after these next two classes, we're really close to actually testing to make sure these pipes work in-game, and if the power network's working correctly. So, let's hurry up and get these done. Okay, so we are going to start off by doing if meta is equal to 1, and then we're going to do Minecraft dot get Minecraft dot get texture manager dot bind texture. There we go. And then we are going to do model cable dot instance dot render middle, and then this is gonna be the same for the rest of this if statement. So that, and then render, we're gonna first render down, and it's gonna be false dot render east. Actually no, let's render down, then we'll render up, and then we are going to render north, then we're going to render south, then we are going to render west, and then we are going to render let's see what one east. There we go. There we go. And then after that, it's GL11 dot GL pop matrix. There we go. And then we're just going to add the last method like that. Just so we don't have to write it. And then this needs to return true. And there we go. This class is all the way done. There we go. So now we are going to make a new class, and we're going to call it tile entity cable renderer. And sorry about that, guys. Someone sent me a message on Skype. I had to check it because sometimes it's important. Guy wanted a download link for TeamSpeak so we could join my TeamSpeak server. Alright, so we are going to import tile entity special renderer, and then we are going to go we are going to go let's see. Public static final tile entity cable renderer instance equals new tile entity cable renderer. Okay, and now we are going to do resource location again, but we are just going to copy it from our previous class. Okay. And then we are going to, well, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the unimplied methods because there's only one. And why not? And this time I'm just going to change a few of these. It's going to be, instead of using it's just going to be tile entity, double X offset, and then it's going to be Y offset, then it's going to be Z offset, and then the float is going to be called that particle tick time. Alright, so then after that, gotta make that look good. There we go. So now for the fun part. It's int meta equals tile entity dot get world object dot get block metadata and then it's tile entity dot x chord tile entity dot y chord tile entity dot z chord, and then we are done with that line. And then we are going to do Boolean, and we are going to do that, put those two brackets, we're going to do the two brackets again, and then sides equals new Boolean, and then we're going to do two brackets, 2 and 6, and then we are going to do Boolean cables equals new Boolean 6, and now we are actually almost done. Kind of, not really. We're gonna do forge direction and we're just gonna call it direction colon forge direction. Forge direction dot valid directions, and it's going to be sides meta direction dot original equals tile entity dot get tile entity. Oops, must have spelled tile entity wrong. Oh, that's why. Forgot the extra E. Tile entity dot get world object dot get tile entity, and then it's tile entity dot xchord tile entity dot ychord tile entity dot zchord, and there we go. What else did I forget? Oh, I know what I forgot. Oh, actually, I totally did those wrong. It's tile entity xchord plus direction dot offset x, and then it's tile entity dot ychord plus direction dot offset y, tile entity dot zchord plus direction dot offset z, and then it's space instance of iEnergy and we're gonna cast iEnergy and then it's tile entity dot get world object dot get tile entity alright, so it's tile entity dot xchord plus direction dot offset x, and then it's tile entity dot ychord plus direction dot offset y, and then it's tile entity dot zchord plus direction dot offset z, dot can connect and direction. Let's see. What did I mess up? Oh. I didn't import iEnergy. Import iEnergy. And there we go. Okay. So let's see how far we're going on time. Okay, we're at 16 minutes, so I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.